If you're an African entrepreneur who has been looking for any kind of funding for any stage of your business, listen. We have put together a masterclass where we'll be showing you the reasons you have not been able to access all the different kinds of funding you have been gunning for. We'll show you the mistakes and what to do to indeed mitigate those mistakes going forward. We'll also show you all the different solutions that both government and private members have put together to truly help you access finance as an African entrepreneur. We're going to expose to you some of the limitations of some of these solutions, but show you how to move above those challenges. I believe that every amount of money you need to grow your business exists, but the moment you don't have the requisite knowledge to access them, then you will keep oscillating between yeses and nos across the different places you're seeking funding. So call your friends who are entrepreneurs, whether you want to start or you want to grow or you want to scale your business as an African entrepreneur. In this dispensation, there are resources available for you to tap into. Be a part of this class so that you can learn, and from learning we can push into the next phase of hand-holding you to truly achieve or acquire this funding for your business. Tag a couple entrepreneurs who need to be a part of this class so that all of us can grow together. We can't wait to see you. Register at www.tasafrica.org/registration.